Hello children, today we'll be continuing with the lesson how my body works. So the topics which we're going to see in this lesson is, first we'll be recalling the previous class and then we'll see about heart, lungs and stomach. So the first thing to recall, okay, so what we saw in the last class So last class we learnt about sense organs and about our brain. So sense organs, our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. They help us to see and feel, that is actually to sense things around us in the environment. Okay, and then we saw about our brain. Our brain helps us to think, and our brain controls all our sense organs, and our brain is located in the skull, that is inside our head. Okay, so the next organ which we're gonna see is lungs. Okay, so our lungs looks like this. So can you see the picture? So this is how our lungs looks like. Okay, so the lungs helps the body to use the air that we breathe in through our nose. So we breathe in air, no? We breathe in oxygen. We take in air. And this air is actually purified or cleaned by our lungs. We have two lungs inside our chest. So can you see in our body we have two lungs inside our chest. So where it is located, so this picture tells you where our lungs is located. And the next part which we're going to see is our heart. So you know how you can sometimes hear how our heart beats. So you can hear a noise called some sound like tick 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 tick. So this is made by our heart, and our heart looks like this. So the heart pumps blood to all part of our body. So this pumps, our heart actually pumps blood to all parts of the body. So this pumping causes the sound. The tick 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 sound is caused because of this pumping. So the heart is located in the left side of our chest. So in this picture, you could look at this picture. This will clearly tell you where our heart is located inside our chest. So it is in the left side of the chest. And the next body part which you're gonna see is stomach. So, you know where our stomach is located? Yes, it is near our belly. So, our stomach. The food we eat gets into our stomach and gets digested. So, when we eat tummy full, when we are full, you could actually observe that your tummy is little bloated, so it will be little grown up big, that's because our stomach is located over there, and our stomach actually helps us to digest the food we eat. So far we have learnt about sense organs which are actually big, it is outside our body so that you could see. After that, we saw about our brain, lungs, heart and stomach. And these organs are found inside our body and these cannot be seen. Therefore, they are called as internal organs. So, organs that can be seen by us is called as external organs because they are externally present in our body. And organs that cannot be seen by us, that is, like for example, brain, lung, heart and stomach are inside our body. So therefore, they are called as internal organs. So that's it for the lesson, children. Thank you for listening. Thank you.